Okay, I've sprayed all the parts with the clear acrylic, so now it's time to put the thing back together again. The only tools you should need to put it together are the same ones used to take it apart. Basically a screwdriver, wrench, maybe needle nose pliers, and possibly a pair of vice grips. And for grease and oil, you should get a fine all-purpose machine oil like this. And if it's got a spout on it, shaft, take it off with a steel wool. Just take the steel wool and go like that a few times. And that should rub that acrylic off. So we'll take some grease and we just put a little bit on it. Doesn't take a whole lot. Now put this main gear with the dogs towards the top of the fan, or the top of the clock, or where they went. You should figure it out. Okay. Now you can put in the jackpot reset lever, which is this guy right here on the post. First, try to put in some grease. I want to be careful not getting grease on the slides, though. That'll make your coins stick together and cause all sorts of problems. Put that back on. Put in the washer. Okay, now I want you to take the major guide for the vertical slide or vertical fingers and screw that onto the plate. And that is held in place by these two screws right here. Go ahead and remove those. After you get this in, locate the piece. And it goes, it gets looped through the main vertical finger guide. So like that. Okay, I'll go ahead and just put this thing together and then give you a close-up of it. And it connects like that. There should be a screw that holds it in right here. The machine that I have was missing the screw, so I just want to put a new screw in it. Okay. And you may want to take some grease or oil and oil this area right here. And also make sure that this ball to connect. This heavy duty one here and this one. The one that's connected to these wing nuts goes right here. So let's connect it up first. Once you've got it connected to the frame, then it just pull it down here and it connects this piece right here. You may have to give yourself a little slack, an adjustment to get it in first. There. Then the next spring, this next spring here is what connects to the clock. So one end connects here, and the other end connects over here. So that's how that's connected. And from looking at my parts, you see I have two things left over. Got this guy, which connects to the coin tube, and this guy, so now it's time to start on the cabinet. Three spots right here. This long screw with these wing nuts. And you want to take some grease and put them